Good morning, children. Today I'm going to teach you the lesson from 5th class English textbook. Mallika goes to school. Mallika is a special kid. She is unable to walk because her legs are not working. So that is why she is unable to go to school. So this lesson is going to revolving around her. Let us know what happened by going through this lesson first. Here, if you observe this picture carefully first as a part of this lesson. Look at the picture, and answer the following questions. Here, here is a picture and some questions are given concerning this picture. Now let us discuss these questions and try to get the answers. The first question: what do you see in the picture? If you observe the picture carefully, some children, some students are going to school. Some students are going to school. They are wearing uniform. Am I right? And this girl is saying Tata to this girl. But this girl is making baskets here. She is a special kid. She is unable to walk and she is not going to school, as these children are going to school, but she is not going to school due to some reason. They are the school children. They can share anything, they can learn new things because they are going to school. They can learn many things. The second question: do the children in the picture seem to be happy? Why? Yes, children in the picture are seem to be happy. They are very happy because they are going to school. After they go to school, they enjoy with the friends, they play games, they learn many lessons, they listen to their teachers' stories, and they enjoy, they have a lot of fun inside the school. So the children in the picture looking to be so happy. They are very happy. They are very happy. Why couldn't the little girl in the picture go to school? This question is asked about her. Why she could not go to school? Because she may be unable to walk. Her legs are not functioning. She cannot walk. So the little girl is unable to go to school. This little girl is a special kid, so she cannot walk. That's why she is not going to school along with these children. How would you feel if you have never been to school? We would feel very sad. In case if we had not gone to school, we would feel so sad. Our life would be so miserable. So we cannot be happy and we cannot make our life so happy, because education gives you power. That education can be obtained in the schools only. If we don't go to school, we cannot acquire knowledge, and through that we cannot get a good life. So if we don't go to school, we would be so unhappy, so sad. That is all about this picture. Now I hope you can completely understand the concept of these questions and this picture. So now let us enter the lesson. This is time to enter the lesson. The lesson name here we can see Mallika goes to school. She is Mallika, sleeping, just woke up from the bed, and she is looking through the window. Let us see what happened by going through this lesson. Let me read this lesson once loudly. Today is very special day for Mallika. She was so excited that she could not sleep after dawn. She eagerly looked out of the window. The newly paved road seemed to be welcoming her. This is the day Mallika has been waiting for. Do you know why? It is neither a festival nor her birthday. Today is going to be Mallika's first day at school. The school is not far away from her home, but she has to come down the main road from the hill to reach there. Her family resides on the foothills of Nallamala forest. The way to the school is narrow, rocky, and uneven. Her little brother Nandu walks down the rocky path to school along with other children of the neighborhood, but Mallika could not as she was differently abled. Mallika was differently abled. Right from her childhood, Mallika could not walk. As she was growing older, she found that she could not do anything like other children. Don't worry, you can weave a variety of cane baskets faster than anyone else. You can paint beautiful pictures. You have a magic in your hand. Her Nana always consoled her. There was a celebration when Amma brought a wheelchair home. Everyone in the family was excited that Mallika could wheel at least around the house. One morning, while Mallika was painting the scene of the sunrise, Ranga, her neighbor, came to her. He was astonished to see her skill in painting. Would you like to come to school? He asked. I have never been to school. The path to school is too uneven and rocky for me to get down. Moreover, Nana can't carry me all the way to school every day, replied Mallika sadly. But would you like to come to school if possible? He insisted. Of course, I dream to go to school like anyone else. I want to make friends, play games, wearing uniform, learn new things. Tears rolled down from her eyes as she spoke. Ranga consoled her and went straight to meet the school headmaster. Explaining Mallika's situation, he said, she uses a wheelchair to move around but cannot reach school. I wish if we could all get together and level the path for Mallika. That is very good idea, Ranga. Children have the right to get education. That includes Mallika as well, said the headmaster, patting him on the back. The next day, he assembled the parents' committee and discussed the same. They made a plan so that Mallika could bring her wheelchair to school. For this, the uneven road had to be leveled. 2 days later, there was a great excitement at the school. It was Saturday, as no bag day. The teachers, along with the student, picked up all the stones and pulled out the weeds using spades and hoes. The village panchayat contributed by laying a good road. Everyone wanted Mallika to come to school. All the children were happy. She gave headmaster a bouquet. Her parents thanked everyone with ragi laddus. The path to school is now ready. I never dreamed I would see a day like this. Mallika wiped her tears in excitement. That is the lesson. However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. Stephen Hawking. That is the lesson. Mallika goes to school. Okay, in the next video, I will explain the lesson in details. So please keep waiting for the next video. Thank you very much, my dear friends.